Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Valorant. You got the error couldn't start and followed by Valorant installed location. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up File Explorer, go to local disk C, and now you just need to double click on the right games folder, double click on the Valorant folder, live folder, and right click on the Valorant.exe. Select properties. Select the compatibility tab. In here you just need to uncheck all the option including run this program as an administrator option guys. After doing this, select apply and OK. Now go to shooter game folder, double click on the binaries folder, double click on the Win64 folder. Now in here you just need to search for Valorant Win64 shipping.exe. Right click on it and select properties. Select compatibility tab. The same thing you need to do guys, uncheck all the options including run this program as an administrator. Select apply and OK for save changes. After doing this, close it up here. Now you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.